Good morning. In the last class, we are discussed about the shaping machine and also the various types of shaping machine. In today's session, we will discuss about the shaping machine construction and its working. First, this is the demo working model of a shaping machine. Here, the ram reciprocates to and fro, and with the help of the tool which is mounted before the ram, the workpiece gets machined. And as we have discussed in the previous class, the ram reciprocates to and fro motion. It is mainly because of the three types of mechanism. One is mainly of quick return mechanism. Here we are going to discuss about the various parts, that means construction of the shaping machine. The most important part is the first part is in ram. It is the part which reciprocates to and fro motion. Before that of the ram, it is the tool which is mounted in the tool post. Here we can see it. Next one is the column. The column is the box in which the mechanism like the gear driven mechanism or else quick return mechanism is fitted inside the column, and above the column the ram is fixed. With the help of the ram only the machining process takes place. This is one of the second most important part, column. First one is the ram, next ram which is connected to the tool post. Next one is the column. In the column the driving mechanism is mounted inside it, and next one is the base. Base is the most important part. In the base the column is fitted, and also above the column the ram is fitted. Next most important part is the cross rail. As the name defines, it moves crosswise, leftwards direction or else the rightward direction with the help of the cross transverse handle. Next most important part is the table. In the table we can fit the bench vise, and with the help of the bench vise we can fit the workpiece, and with the help of the tool we can machine the workpiece into the flat surface. These are all the most important parts in case of the shaping machine. First base, column, ram, tool post which is fitted before the ram, and then the table which is mounted on the cross rail, and cross rail which is fitted before the column. These are all the major parts of the main parts of the shaping machine. Base as we had already discussed, and then column, ram, table, cross rail, saddle, tool head, and then the clapper box. We have already discussed about this diagram. Again I will tell, this is the ram, next column, this is the base, tool head, before the tool head tool post before it tool is mounted, and then this is the cross rail, table, bench vise, in the bench vise the workpiece is mounted, and then base. First one is the base. It is the bottommost part of the shaping machine. It supports other parts of the machine such as column, ram, cross rail, etc. And also it acts as a reservoir for lubricating oil. It is majorly made up of cast iron, which reduces the vibration. Second most important thing is the column. It is mounted vertically mounted on the base, and also it houses the driving mechanism of the ram, and also it has guideways in the upper part of the column. With the help of it the ram slides to and fro motion, and also the ram is also made up of the cast iron. Next most important thing is the ram, the main moving part of the shaping machine. It carries the tool head, and also it is connected to the driving mechanism which is mounted inside the column. Next most important part of the shaping machine is the table, a box like casting with T slots on its top. With the help of the T slots, different types of parts such as bench vise can be mounted. Shaper vise or else bench vise can be mounted or fitted in the T slots. And also the work or workpiece is fixed in the vise. Next part is the cross rail. It is used to move the table either in upward direction and also in the downward direction. Upward movement is controlled by the elevating screw which is present in the cross rail. Side movement is controlled by the lead screw. Next important part is the saddle. It is mounted on cross rail and it is supported by the table. It moves across the cross rail left to the right direction, and also movement is applied by the cross feed screw. Next important part is the tool head. This part is the tool head and this is the tool post and this is the tool. And this box is the clapper box. It is attached to the front end of the ram. It carries the clapper box and tool post on it. It can be swelled or tilted to that of the certain angle on either side. The next important part is the clapper box. It is injured to the tool head. It houses the clapper block. It swings outward during the return stroke. Tool post mounted on the clapper box. Specifications of shaping machine: maximum length of stroke and ram, types of drive, power input, floor space required, weight of the machine, cutting to return stroke ratio, and also feed. Thank you.